Today we are going to be looking at LYFT. I'm not sure if you know what LYFT is or not. Here we are. The ticker symbol is right here, LYFT. We're going to be looking at it on the 1 minute chart. Now, LYFT is the ride share service. And as we can see, the prices went up today. We had a very good bullish day. The price went from 14.72 to a high of 16.11. And as we can see over here, I'm actually gonna zoom out of this chart a little bit, and we're gonna look at it over here. We're gonna look at the pre-market, and we're gonna look at the chart for the day. So as we can see, the pre-market range from about 14.52 to about 14.71. It was within this range, bouncing off back and forth, and then all of a sudden, as we can see, it's above our two indicators over here, our simple moving average as well as our VWAP. Perfect bullish entry. Price just goes up. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. Over here, price just goes up. Obviously, there's a little bit of a drawdown, a few drawdowns, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it doesn't break our trend line right here. It breaks it right here, so this would be a good point to exit, but it constantly hits it and then goes up. Now, some people might enter and stay until here, which might be fine for them. And then some people might enter at the second exit at the second drawdown. The first drawdown, second, third, fourth would be the perfect drawdown to leave. But if you held on to this, you would have done very well. And as we can see, it goes below our moving averages and then it goes down to the downside. So majority of the money today would be made before 12:30 or 1 o'clock. Um, this is a rare one. It seems like a very easy day. As we can see, there's so many confirmations. There's a confirmation of it being above the pre-market high. There's a confirmation of it being ahead of our indicator, our moving average indicator, and above our VWAP indicator. So all of these signs are heading into the bullish, telling us that this is a good stock to buy. Buy it, sell it, profit. All that matters now is the trading psychology. So what I'm planning on doing in the future is just doing more live trading sessions, and I think that this is going to be good um, because live trading is different than looking back at a chart. When you're live trading, emotions are involved. There's a level of unpredictability. You don't know what's going on, so you have to stay in the moment with it. So that's it for the day. LYFT 1 minute chart, August 15th, Friday, 2025.